Hey there, Nicole Vanderwall, search marketer here, and I wanted to run you guys through one of the common mistakes that I see in paid Google Ads accounts and Google Grant accounts, all the same. This is one of the campaign settings that seems so basic. However, Google does tend to hide this setting from us, so we aren't really presented with it up at the front. So we do have to do a little bit of clicking around to be able to access it to make sure that our campaigns are set up and optimized towards the right location. So once you do select your locations and who you are targeting, you want to make sure that you select the presence, as in people who are physically located in that location. So unfortunately, the recommendation that Google gives us is people that are in the location or searching for the location, aka can be anywhere in the world and searching for that location, right? So we just want to make sure that we click into the settings of the locations, we click more options, and then you want to actually select the one that's not recommended. I know, tricky from Google, and that's going to be people that are physically present in your location settings. So let's go ahead and jump into the account and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So in the platform, and I've clicked into one specific campaign, you'll want to go into the settings. So once you're in the settings, you'll want to expand out the location panel. And then, very tricky, I know, you'll want to expand out the location options. And then you want to go ahead and make sure that you've selected presence. So people in or regularly in your target locations. So the recommended is actually presence or interest in. So people that are in, regularly in, or who have shown interest in your targeted locations, right? So that's where you can find a campaign has people from a lot of different countries or different locations outside of those that you've just selected. Make sure that you check into the targeting options and that you choose presence, people in or regularly in. Of course, make sure that you save this before you exit, and then you should be all set. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and I'll be able to make more tips and tricks videos in the future. Thank you.